Two top hosting contenders, both promising big value, but which one truly delivers for your site in 2025? On the left, Bluehost, growth-focused hosting with top WordPress tools. And on the right, Namecheap, affordable domains and hosting for starters. Let's cut through the marketing talk and compare what actually matters. Each key category earns points, so you'll see exactly which provider comes out ahead, the winner. It just might surprise you. Here's our mind map for today. We're gonna compare price, performance, features, support, scalability and growth, security and reliability, and domain services. So each category gives us a real look at what these hosts deliver, no fluff, just results. Keep these in mind as we go. Let's kick it off with price. Bluehost is honestly pretty competitive when you first sign up, and you actually get a bunch of bundled features which kinda ups the value in the long run. But yeah, the price is a touch higher than Namecheap, and those renewal rates, they can creep up. Namecheap, ultra low starter price, like almost suspiciously low. You get privacy protection and a free domain tossed in, but the catch is, extras like backups mean extra fees. So if you're just looking at pure numbers, Namecheap is the budget champion here. On to performance. Bluehost throws up some impressive stats: 99.99% uptime, quick response times, a biggie if your site's more than just a digital business card. Sure, entry plans can vary a bit, but generally it's speedy. Namecheap, it's decent for handling some sudden traffic spikes, but you'll see more downtime and responses can drag out over a second sometimes. So for reliability and speed, Bluehost flexes way harder. Alright, features, something interesting here. Bluehost goes all in with WordPress stuff. One-click setups, SEO tools, CDN and caching, free emails, even backup automation on higher plans. You do have to climb up the ladder for some power features, but the basics are solid. Namecheap gives you what you'd expect: hosting basics, basic SSL, easy domain controls. But WordPress? That's a manual job, and things like backups or advanced caching are add-ons not included. Honestly, Bluehost takes this round for overall feature depth. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Namecheap actually started out as just a pure domain registrar way before doing hosting. Meanwhile, Bluehost was one of WordPress's OG, officially recommended hosts. That's why they both have these unique perks. Support matters. Bluehost comes with 24/7 chat and even phone access, plus specialized WordPress experts, and their help docs cover a ton. You might hit some wait times, but you can actually call someone if things get wild. Namecheap's support is all chat and tickets, which, to be fair, are super quick, but no phone line and kinda less technical for the tricky stuff. So when it comes to getting help, Bluehost is just more reassuring. Let's talk growth and scalability. Bluehost offers all the premium stuff: dedicated servers, managed WordPress, which is a game changer if you want less hassle, and WooCommerce out of the box. The entry price for VPS or dedicated servers is higher, sure, but the guidance, so much better if you want to scale. With Namecheap you can snag cheap VPS or starter servers, great if your traffic not going viral anytime soon. But there's less support for big leaps or advanced setups, so you sort of plateau. For businesses or bigger projects, Bluehost makes scaling way easier. Security and reliability next. This one's big. Bluehost brings unlimited SSL, built-in DDoS and CDN that's super simple to flip on. If you want hardcore security tools, they do cost extra, but the basics are always covered really well. Namecheap gives you free SSL for the first year and some DDoS protection, which is a decent start. But SSL is gonna cost after that, and the security dashboard, it's a little clunky. If you want to keep your site safe without stress, Bluehost just feels more locked down. Now, domain services. Bluehost gives you a free domain for your first year, which is kind of cool, especially for new sites, but renewing it can get pricey, so keep an eye on that. Namecheap, though, straight up is domain royalty. Free privacy, crazy easy DNS controls, and honestly, they just make domain management simple. The one thing is, some hosting plans don't wrap in all those domain perks automatically, still in the domain space. Namecheap takes it. Alright, let's look at the radar chart. You'll see how each host stacks up in all those categories we just talked about, some pretty clear spikes where Bluehost stands out for business power and reliability, and Namecheap outshines in pure price and domains. So, if you want to focus on growth, business stuff, or WordPress magic, Bluehost's the way to go. If you're working with a lean budget, just want something quick and easy for simple websites, or care mostly about domains, Namecheap is your jam. Both have strengths, but ultimately, Bluehost wins for anyone looking to level up. If this helped you choose the right host, save this comparison. Want more detailed head-to-head reviews on other hosting platforms? Hit follow and don't miss the next deep dive.